Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily and I make a lot of videos about Salesforce. Today it is no different. We're going to be doing a developer tutorial in Salesforce. This is a new series that I'm starting on my channel and it has been very rocky trying to test these scenarios out for you so I know that when I show you them they're going to work, and making sure that there's a reason behind all of these tutorials and such. But if you appreciate the effort and like this video, I would sure like a sub and a like on the video and possibly a comment of encouragement. Today we're going to be, of course, continuing on with our context variables that we've been going over, and today is no different. Last week we did the trigger.new context variable. Today we're going to be doing the isUpdate variable. So a few things of pre-work that I've done is this isUpdate fired. So this is going to, essentially we're going to be creating an if statement of if this trigger 1 has been fired and it is being updated, then check this checkbox to be true. So let's go ahead, and if you're following along, be sure to create that checkbox field in your org. I'm in a test org, so nothing to worry here about ruining any data. Be sure to check that if you are doing this in production. Let's go ahead and go to the developer console and file, new, Apex trigger. I'll just have this be opportunity trigger and choose our object of opportunity. Okay. So it's creating a new trigger. So how you'd want to use the isUpdate trigger is if you had a few different things happening with this trigger. Let's actually add these. If we had before insert, before update, and before delete. Essentially, actually, let's make this big so we can see all of it. Essentially, what would happen is if we had this opportunity trigger that was going to do things before insert, before update, before delete, we could separate this into a few different if statements and have it be if it is insert, if it is update, if it is before delete. Then you could segment that down and it could save you some time as far as runtime goes or consolidating code, whatever the purpose is. This is how you can segment it down to just the update section of the trigger being fired. Okay, let's go ahead and grab an if statement. If trigger dot is update, and then we do need to add a for statement for a specific example. For, and let's go ahead and add in our variable. I misspelled opportunity. All right, so for the opportunity at up, then we need to have our then statement, which you don't need to add the then, you just have to add the variable in. Let's go and grab our, oh gosh, what is it called? The API name for this specific field, so then I don't mess it up, because that would be really frustrating to mess up because of the API name. I've done that before. Is equal to true. All right, let's go ahead and save this. And let's go ahead and go back to our opportunity here. And now that we have saved that, we can go ahead and test this. Actually, let's go ahead and go into the triggers and validate that the trigger is active. It is active. Let's go back to the test opportunity, and all we have to do is edit this, and hopefully by saving it, it will make this checkbox field fire. And there we go. It has fired. Again, when you use the isUpdate context variable, it is mainly for segmenting down different parts of a larger trigger, so then you can, or possibly have this really complex situation where you need to, based upon a certain set of criteria really narrow down which records that you are updating. That is it. If you like this video, or if you want to see more developer content, be sure to give this video a like, subscribe, let me know down in the comments. I do have some admin courses out there, as well as my blog is now live at salesforceemily.com. You can join our email list and you will be the first one to know about any new things happening within the Salesforce Emily brand. So again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.